गोंयांत दुधाचें उत्पादन कमी आसा म्हण भायल्या राज्यांतल्यान दूद मागयतात. ह्या खातीर राज्याचो विकास लक्षांत घेवन जरी तर कोण गाय घेवपाक इत्सूक आसल्यार तांकां 90% सबसिडी दिवपाची शक्यताय आसा म्हण पशुसंवर्धन मंत्री माविन गुदिन्हो उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
When we can produce 1,65,000 liters of milk, and at one time when we were as low as 30 or 40,000 liters being produced in Goa, why can't we meet the shortfall and go to 360 liters? So for this we simply have to have good practices in the as far as the animals are concerned. We have increased the subsidy for the milch animals up to 90%. We have increased the cost of each animal that we will give the farmers from between 60 to 70,000. At the same time, whatever milk that is supplied to the particular society, they get additional subsidy of 40%. So it is so much of encouragement by the government to young youth who are otherwise unemployed to get gainfully employed to do something on their own, which is like their own business. Now many youth are telling me in the villages, yes, we want to do this business, because on 10 animals, rough calculation is you can get more than 40 to 50,000 net earning. They are saying, which job pays so much? They are telling me. So we want to do it, but we have no place. Because they have no place, we have some amount of place where either we will be procuring land, or where we already have land. In one place in North Goa, one place in South Goa, I propose to build huge sheds where we will be giving units to different youth from the surrounding areas. These youth will go there. It will be their responsibility to look after the animals as if that is their own place. Maybe they'll pay some nominal amount to the government for giving the shed to them, but rest will all be their earning. So they will be earning about minimum 40,000 for every 10 animals. If somebody is enthusiastic enough to look after 20 animals, he'll be earning 80,000 to 1 lakh. So this is like self-generating, self-employment through an extra initiative of the government. That's why I call them animal hostels. Because they are poor people, they don't have place on their own. At the same time, it is their enthusiasm and their endeavor to be gainfully employed. So this when government cannot give government jobs to everyone per se. So at least this is like self-employment.
This will be one in north and one in south.
To start with. Okay. If it works well, we'll be having many such hostels coming up.
Are these places identified? Where exactly it would be?
See, it is in the preliminary stage. Though I have done my homework well, I don't want to say anything. But I'm only announcing the idea because we have decided to do it.